Hi class! I cannot believe we are already halfway through the course. It is going so quickly and filled with lots of helpful information. The most universal form of nonverbal communication is facial expressions. As we read this week in the article, 5 Little Known Things About Body Language That You May Not Know, it stated, the only nonverbal behaviors that are universal throughout the world are facial expressions. The expressions of anger, happiness, sadness, disgust, surprise, and fear are basic to all humans. No matter what country you are from or language you speak, facial expressions all have the same meaning. When communicating, our facial expressions tell more than the words. When talking to a person, we can tell by their expressions if they are feeling excited, mad, upset, or confused. This is also true for the presenter. When speaking, the audience can tell by a person's facial expressions if they are excited and passionate about what they are talking about, or if they are unsure and even possibly not telling the truth. Another nonverbal communication is eye contact. It is important when giving a presentation to make eye contact with the audience so they know you are engaged with them. We can often tell when a person is not being honest because they have a hard time keeping eye contact when telling a lie. When communicating with someone, we know if they are really engaged or listening because we maintain eye contact with them throughout the conversation. Looking away or down at your phone shows you are not interested in the conversation or not listening. The communication process relies on these nonverbal communications to emphasize and confirm what is being said. The same article, 5 Little Known Things About Body Language That You May Not Know, states, according to research, approximately 80 to 90% of the meaning of a message lies in the nonverbal part of it. This shows that the receiver will believe the nonverbal communication over the verbal if a person is saying yes but shaking their head no. It is natural for nonverbal expressions to happen. We use our facial expressions constantly. We often do not even realize we are making certain facial expressions. Facial expressions are used during a conversation to let a person know how we are feeling or even as an audience member to a presenter. The presenter can tell if a person is excited, upset, or confused all by the look on their face. Our face and eyes tell the truth more than our own words.